Welcome back, 4B students. This is the Check My Progress page, which is 593, and I want to just go over some details with you. It's kind of just to check, do you understand what's going on in these first four lessons in chapter 10? So at the top of it, it says choose the correct words or to complete each sentence. Well, there's two places that you can find where these vocabulary words are. One is in your vocabulary cards. And the other is in the very back of your book is the glossary. And if it's in alphabetical order, and you can look up where to find different things. This blue side's in Spanish and the red side is in English. So if we were looking up, let's see, maybe fraction. It's right here at the top of the page. A fraction is a number that represents parts of a whole or parts of a set. All right, so now we know where to get our information. You're going to fill in the blanks. Down at the bottom, you are going to divide the whole into equal parts and then label each part with the unit fraction. Remember that? We did that before when we had those really cool fraction bars. Remember these guys? So if I have to make a rectangle into 6 parts, I have these 6 in a unit fraction. I have to label each part. So that's what we're going to do here. At this one, 6 equal parts. This one, 3 equal parts. Down for number 7. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer here. Here we go. So this next one here down at the bottom is circle the correct unit fraction for the shaded section of each model. So we're going to look here and then we're going to decide which 2 of these at the bottom are the ones we want. So again, remember we need to figure out our parts of and the whole. So get this up here. There we go. How many parts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whole parts. Well, right away, I know it can't be this 3. It's got to be the 4. And how many of the parts are shaded? 1. So remember, count your total parts, and then the numerator is the part that is shaded. Good luck on those. I think you'll do just great. Now, turning to the next page, we have complete the chart and write each fraction for each part. So again, remember the denominator down is the whole piece of the shape. How many total pieces are in the shape? So we can count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's my denominator there. And I'm gonna guess I'm still gonna have 4. If there's 1, 2, 3, 4 there, there's still 4 over here. And then I'm gonna determine, this one says, what part is green? So I'm gonna count the green parts and put that as my numerator. And then we say what part is not green, and I'm gonna count the parts that are not green and put that as my numerator. And that's what you're gonna do for 10 and 11. Then moving on down to how you're going to shade parts of a set, right? Parts of a set. And we just went over that in the last video. So if I have 6 total counters and my numerator is 3, I have to decide how many of these I need to shade. I bet you'll do that just fine and dandy. So Sydney has 8 packages of sticky notes. 5 of the packages are pink and 1 is green and 2 are blue. Write a fraction to show what part of this set of sticky notes is not pink. Not pink. So how many do we have total? 8. What other numbers do we have? We have 5, pink, 1, green, 2, blue. So I might want to do this where I'm going to say how many of my 8 are pink. So I'm going to do 5 pink ones. Pink, 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 pink. There's 5. 1 green, 1 G, and 2 blues. Now they said we should have 8 packages, so I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. That's my whole number. I wonder where that's going to go. Then they want to know the part of that is not pink. So the ones that are not pink are these ones. So I'm going to have to decide, do I write 5 as my numerator, or do I write about the green and the blue ones as my numerator? I bet you can figure it out. Down at test practice at the very bottom, you're going to look at the shaded picture here and decide what fraction it is. And I think you will do just lovely. Well, good luck, boys and girls. You're halfway through chapter 10, and I am very proud of you.